Hello, my name is Chris Lucas. I am the Science and Nature Coordinator from the Discovery Children's Museum, and today we're going to be continuing our series of Discovering Science at Home. Welcome to my home, and we're going to do some fun science. Before we begin though, I'm going to introduce my dog. This is Bella. She is my doggo, and she loves science just as much as I do. Today she's going to be part of our live audience, alright? Good girl. So, today for our science activity, you only need a few things. So they're all sitting right here on my table. First thing is you're going to need to get an egg. Now, get an egg, you're going to need to boil it, and then you're going to peel that the outside of it off. So you have a nice boiled egg. You're going to need a birthday candle. So get a birthday candle. You probably got one stuck back behind a little drawer from last year's birthday, but a small birthday candle will be perfect. You're going to need a glass, alright, where the opening of the glass is smaller than the diameter of your boiled egg, alright? And you're going to need one last thing, it's a lighter. Now, make sure, it should only be the adult working with the lighter. We want to make sure everybody's safe while they're doing science at home. So today, what our science theme is we're going to be exploring air pressure, alright? So what is air pressure? Well, go ahead and take a nice deep breath. Move your hands around. You've got air all around you. The air that you breathe is a collection of gases that make up our atmosphere that surrounds planet Earth. And it weighs something, alright? So air actually has some weight to it. We're actually going to be exploring some of those properties of air pressure today by doing a quick experiment. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to take your egg. You're going to put the candle into the egg. Alright, and then, well, let's try this out. Can we get our egg to fit inside of our glass? Let's see. Does it fit? No, it doesn't, does it? So what we're going to try now is we're actually going to light the candle, and we're going to see if we can get our egg to fit inside of our container. So again, remember, make sure your adult is actually, handling the fire. We want to make sure everybody's safe. So we're going to take this jar, we're going to take this, see if we can get that egg in there. Alright, so here we go. Oh my. Oh. Alright, well, did we get our egg in there? Yes, we did! So what happened? That's kind of exciting, wasn't it, Bella? Good girl. So, well, some of it's kind of sticking out, but for the most part, we now have the egg inside of our container. So what happened? What was the science here? So when we put our, we turned our container upside down and we put the egg with the candle into the container. That candle, that heat from the candle actually caused the air inside of the container to expand, and the air pressure on the inside of it became less than that outside of the container. So the air pressure on the outside was more, and it pushed the egg into the container. And then you probably heard that little pop as it went in. Now the pressure is equal to the pressure on the outside. So a great little science thing there. We had low pressure on the outside. We had low pressure on the inside. High pressure on the outside. And that's actually how we got that high pressure to push in the egg into our container. So now we've got a, well, crumbly egg that's hanging out in our glass. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today for a quick little science activity for our Discovering Science at Home series. You guys have a wonderful Discovery Day, and we have a round of applause for my little dachshund. Good girl. Thank you for joining me, Bells. Thanks, guys.